Welcome! If you want to organize your Instagram sticker responses and quickly find replies from a specific person, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to filter Instagram sticker responses by author using the latest steps for 2025. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in to the account where you want to manage sticker responses. Next, head over to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look for the menu icon, the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Tap on that to open up the main menu. From here, select Your Activity. This section keeps track of everything you do on Instagram, including your interactions and responses. Now, scroll down and tap on Sticker Responses. Here, you'll see all the responses you've received to your story stickers, neatly organized in one place. At the top of the Sticker Responses page, you'll notice an option called Filter by Author. Tap on this to bring up a list of people who have responded to your stickers. Now, simply choose the author whose responses you want to see. Once selected, Instagram will instantly filter the list, showing only the sticker responses from that specific person. This feature is a game changer, especially if you run interactive stories or want to track feedback from certain followers. It helps you avoid scrolling endlessly and lets you focus on the replies that matter most. And that's it. You've just learned how to filter Instagram sticker responses by author. Whether you're a creator, a business owner, or just someone who loves engaging with friends, this tool will help you stay organized and save time. If you found this helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from this quick Instagram tip. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.